Hi guys, the ACC exams have started, and I'm sure right now as we speak, you are trying to come up with some last minute strategy, last minute tips on how to handle the very crucial exam day. So, I have a couple of tips for you right now, and if you apply those, your exam day will be a smooth sailing day. To begin with, make sure that if you're going to a center based exam, you have all the necessary items ready with you. That includes your admit card, that includes your calculator, your identification document. Make sure that you carry all of these with you so that there are no last minute challenges. When you reach the exam center, make sure that you are reaching at least 1 hour in advance so that the formalities at the exam center can happen peacefully and then you can write the paper. When you are writing your exam, this is where the crucial part comes in, because I believe apart from the 3 months of preparation that you are putting in, it is the 3 hours of exam duration and how you tackle those 3 hours that is going to define your success in the exam. So when you get access to your question paper in the examination window, make sure that you have a clear plan in your mind. Do not rush into answering the first question that you see. Plan the order in which you are going to write the paper. Make sure that you have thought out the entire structure of how it is going to flow. For students who are attempting the skill level specifically, make sure that you start your paper with section A, then proceed to section B, and then move on to section C. It would be a misstep to start your answers with section C, because I'll tell you what happens. In the first question, you are very eager to show off to the examiner how much you know. And in that attempt to put your best foot forward, for a 20-mark question in section C, you will end up spending somewhere around, an hour at times. And that will derail the entire time management process in your exam. So make sure that you start with section A. In all papers apart from audit, should target spending around 40 to 45 minutes in section A, an equal amount in section B, and then of course the remaining time goes towards your section C. Make sure that when you are attempting the MCQs as well, you do not spend a disproportionate amount of time on any one question. If you believe that one question is consuming a lot of your time and energy, leave it for the moment, flag it, move to the next question, solve all those questions that you are confident about, and then come back to this. Wherever possible, try to make sure that you are reading the question very clearly, you are understanding the requirement, and then answering the question. Do not be in a hurry, because more often than not, people end up missing out on reading one important part of the question. For example, if the question says, which of the following is not a feature of whatever? So, if you don't read the word not, there are very high chances that you will end up marking the wrong answer. Wherever you are confused about which option out of the 4 is going to be, instead of making a haphazard guess, I would advise you to use the method of elimination. Remove those choices which very obviously cannot be the answer, and then you are left with 2 options maybe where you can make an educated guess. While you are writing the paper, it is very easy to get distracted with some random part of the answer or some other question altogether. What I would recommend all of you is, when you are attempting your section C answers, when you read the question, make a note of what you feel is important. Highlight the relevant parts using the highlighter tool that is given in the exam window. Spend 5 minutes planning your answer and then 40-45 minutes executing what you have planned. All of these steps are very important when you want to not go just beyond 50 but secure a good score. Most important of all, do not panic. Even if there is a 10-mark part that you are not confident of or you do not know at all, keep one thing in mind: the remaining 80-90 marks are completely in your control. You know how that part is done. Focus on what you know instead of the 10 marks or the 12 marks that you are not very confident of, and then write your paper. Do not press the panic button because you are unsure of a certain part. Try to write the paper with as calm a mind as possible, and make sure that you do not overburden yourself with anything that is new. One very important tip: do not have, an endless night before the paper where you don't sleep. Make sure that you take an adequate rest of 6 hours so that you don't feel sleepy or get get a moment where you neglect the actual part of the answer. Go there with a calm mind, and I'm sure you will be successful. All the best for all the papers. If you like the content that you have seen, I request you to press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Thank you.